Welcome back. In this video, we shall talk about the logical and the logical or operators in JavaScript, how they are written and how they are used. But before we start writing our code, let's talk about the AND operator. The logical AND operator is used in JavaScript and other modern programming languages to check if two things are true at the same time before running our code. For example, Emeka, who is my friend, comes to collect a driver's license, and you want to check if Emeka is Nigerian and up to the age of 18. These two conditions have to be true to make him eligible for a driver's license. And if one of the conditions is false, that means he is disqualified. So to put this in code, let's set Emeka's age to 15, and let's set Emeka's nationality, let's say Emeka Nat, to Nigeria. So to use the logical AND operator, we say if Emeka age is greater than or equal to 18 and Emeka Nat, which is Emeka's nationality, is equal to Nigeria, let's console.log eligible for a license, else let's console.log not eligible for a license. Now let's run our code to see what we have. Not eligible for a license. Obviously, my friend Emeka is 15 and he's not eligible for a driver's license yet. But if we set Emeka's age to 19 and we run our code, you see Emeka is eligible for a license now. And that's because both conditions here are true. Emeka is above 18 and Emeka's nationality is Nigeria. If I change his nationality to, let's say, Canadian, you'd see Emeka is no more eligible for a license. So that's the use of the logical AND operator. The AND operator is written with these double ampersand signs here. So wherever you see the double ampersand signs in JavaScript, just know it signifies you have a logical AND operator right there. Now let's talk about the logical OR operator in JavaScript. It is the direct opposite of the logical AND operator, and it means that if one of the conditions set is met, Emeka will be eligible. In this case, Emeka will only be disqualified if he doesn't meet both conditions. He will be eligible if he meets just one or both of the conditions. To write the logical OR operator in JavaScript, we use the double vertical bar, which is this. Now let's run our code and see. Of course, Emeka is eligible because both conditions set are true. Now, let's say Emeka is 11. And let's run our code. Emeka is still eligible for a license because one condition here is false and this one is true. Now, let's say Emeka is Canadian. Let's run our code. You can see this is the only time Emeka will not be eligible for a license because both of the condition sets are not true. So that's the difference between the logical OR and the logical AND operator. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.